Mr. Feller. Milo is at the end of his training, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all the things that he's learned, and that way you're also going to see it so that you know what to be practicing and working with him once you get him. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Right now he's already sitting because he's waiting for me to put on his Easy Walk harness. Good, sit, good boy. Under the belly with that strap. And then clip off of the collar and onto the harness. Perfect, sit, good boy. And now I'm just going to show you some of the commands. Milo, lace. Good boy. Free puppy. Good job. Milo, sit. Finish your tree. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Lace. Good boy. Free puppy. Good job, Milo. Good boy. Drop some treats in the bowl. He's already sitting, exactly what I want him doing. Good, sit, good boy. Good boy. Nice and calm with me putting that bowl down. Let him eat those treats for a minute. We're gonna show that he doesn't eat the shoe. Just gonna drop it here once he's done munching. Good boy, good job. Good boy, didn't go for that shoe at all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just show you some walking. Milo, come. Good job. Good buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Milo, sit. Good boy. Touch it. Yes. Touch it. Yes. Touch it. Good boy. Sit. Good job, Milo. Good boy. And that is just some of the things that Milo has learned while he's been with me. Of course, he also did learn door manners and that kind of stuff. But he's doing a great job. Keep up with all of this. He's going to be doing really awesome for you at home. He's doing really well with his potty training. Keep taking him out regularly every 2 hours or so. But he has not had accidents, so he's doing really well with that as well. All right, see ya.